How to enable call recording in Samsung. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up to turn on the call recording. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So here we can start by opening up the phone application on our device and tap on the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Once we tap on it, from the menu that pops up, select the option of settings and access your settings right here. After we access our settings right here, we should be finding an option called record calls. All we gotta do is find that option and tap on it. Now that once we have tapped on it, we should be finding an option called auto record calls. Now all you gotta do is turn on this option to record your calls, and you can select even specific options or numbers like calls with unsaved numbers or specific numbers, and recorded calls are stored in your internal storage under recordings and calls. So we have the storage location with that we can tap on, and then we can select whether we want it inside internal storage or SD card. And if you want to view your recorded calls, we can directly find it from the section right here as well. So tap on recorded calls for that. And when we tap on it, we should be finding all of our recording in this section right here. And that's it. You just need to go ahead and follow out this method, and will allow you to enable call recording on your device. If you're not able to do so, call recording might be disabled by default in certain countries due to some local laws. But usually this is the following method you can follow up if you wanna turn it off or enable the call recording. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.